Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to install Windows 7 in VirtualBox. First you need to download the Windows 7 ISO. If you want to download that, you can check out the link given up. Okay, click on search and here open your VirtualBox. Okay, click on new and here I'm going to give the name for this virtual machine as Windows 7 and you can see it's automatically changed. Okay, this is the place where your virtual machine is stored. Okay, I'm going to change it. You can leave it as default if you want. Okay, select folder. Okay, now click on next and I'm going to give it, it's just enough for that, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to increase the process to 2. If you want, you can give it more. I'm going to leave it default. Next, give finish. Don't click on the start yet because we did not finish it yet. Click on settings and here go to advanced, and this is the option so that you can copy files from host to guest, means virtual machine. Okay, it's enough. Display, I'm going to give it 128 MB. Okay, here click on this empty and go here and select the Windows 7 ISO. Okay, choose a disk file. Okay, move to the place where your ISO is there and select it. My ISO is here and click on open. Okay, and check the settings. Okay, click on OK. Now you can start the Windows 7 virtual machine. Start. It's starting. Here select your language to install and the time and currency format. Mine is India, so I'm going to use the India. Select India. Here, yes, and here mine is US keyboard, so I'm going to leave it as that, and you can change it. Click on next. Here install now. It may take a while to start. Okay, I accept the license terms and click on next. Okay, click on custom advanced and here select the disk and click on next. It may take a while. I'm going to fast forward this. Okay, click on restart now to restart. Here, do not click any key. If you click, it boots from installation IS4. Installation of Windows 7 program again. It will take some time to set up. To avoid press any key to boot from CD or DVD, you can go here, input, no, device, optical drive, and uncheck this mark. Okay, here enter username for your user. I'm going to give it my YouTube channel name, and click on next. Okay, retype the password for your confirmation. Click here skip. Ask me later. Yeah, next. home network. You no need to connect the network with your Wi-Fi adapter. We have successfully installed Windows 7 in VirtualBox, but here's the problem. We can see that the window is not maximizing. To maximize the window, we need to install some files. So click on Devices, insert Guest Edition CD image. Okay, now go to your File Explorer. Here go to Computer, and here you have inserted the CD drive. Click on double click that. Yes, you need to complete this setup. Click on Next, Next, Install. After completing this, you must restart your Windows so that it will take the effect. Always first and click on Install. Okay, we have completed it, and click on Finish to reboot now. It may need some time to maximize. Yeah, we have successfully got the full screen. We have successfully installed Windows 7 in VirtualBox, and this is for this video.